good time, speed and passion. Anyone know about this type of car? And also they put N01, it means like number one, and in front they put premium, original and quality, 100% quality. They put the good time and 4-wheel, speed, oh, so beautiful designed on it. Alright, they put it has beautiful 5-star, but in the middle it has the big one, big star, and the two left right is the small one. And also speed and passion. Anybody have good time, don't forget to give comment on this video. Actually my English is not good. My English is not a right follow to the grammatical structure, but I love to use it. I love to practice, because English is international language. English is very popular not only in my country but also in the world. So when I speak in wrong pronunciation, in wrong tongue, don't forget to see me, don't forget to correct me.